Hello everyone, and welcome back to Blockchain Minute. This is your host Shibor, and today I will show you how to update your Spectre Security Coin wallet to make sure you have the right version for a mandatory update. So let's get started. As you can, when you go in Help and go about Spectre Security Coin, you can view your version. So Spectre Security Coin version 1.0.1.3-1. Press OK. So what we want to do here is, first of all, just make an update our latest backup for our wallet.dat file. So open up your File Explorer, go to App Data, XSP Spectre Security Coin / Spectre Security Coin. Take your wallet.dat, copy it, paste it here, rename it Spectre Security.dat, and alright, now we've got our backup. Now what we want to do is go on GitHub. Open up your browser. The page is already open. I will leave you the link in the description. So it's basically github.com Spectre Security Coin, Spectre Security Coin releases to come to this page. Now here, since we're on Windows and we're running a Qt wallet, we will want to use a Spectre Security Coin -win.qt. D is for daemon, Linux Qt, Linux daemon, Spectre DMG for Mac, and a tar.gz of the Bitcoin daemon, Spectre Security Coin daemon for Linux. So yeah, let's just download this. Now let's show in folder. Now let's open, extract to the same location where you have your current exe file. So extract here in desktop, replace, and sorry, make sure you close your wallet before doing that. Now let's try again. And there we go. Now let's open up our wallet. Run anyway. We can close our zip file. And now that our wallet is open, we can go and Help, about Spectre Security Coin, and now we have the wallet version 1.0.1.5-1, and we still have all our coins, of course. So with that being said, if you have a Masternode, now what you want to do is also update your VPS. So either log into your VPS provider or open up your SSH client, such as Putty or Bitwise or whatever else, and then put in your host name or IP address if it's not already registered here. Load and open. Now log in. Now that we're logged in, what we want to do is download the Masternode installer. So let's go on GitHub. Alright, here I'm just going to increase the size of the characters. Just give me a second here. Alright, 14 should be enough. Alright, so open up your browser at the Spectre Security Coin MN installer. I will leave the link in the description below, and scroll down a little bit. You will be able to see how to create it, but if you're at this stage, you should already have one. Otherwise, you will have left the video by now because you don't have a Masternode, so you don't need to update your VPS. Anyways, so at step 7, there's a wget link to grab the MN Masternode setup script directly. Come here, right click. Now if we do ls, we see that it's here. Now let's do it chmod plus x to make it executable. Now as you can see here, it is executable with the little x. Now let's do /mn Masternode setup, and here searching and removing all Spectre Security Coin files and configuration. Done. Preparing the VPS to set up Spectre Security Coin Masternode. Alright, so enter your Spectre Security Coin Masternode gen key. Since we already have a Masternode here, what we want to do is go back to our Masternode. To our Spectre Security Coin data file. So app data, Spectre Security Coin, and open up a masternode.conf. Now in here you will have your Masternode private key here. Copy, paste, enter. Now Masternode gen key is here. And that's it. Now just to make sure all the information is correct, let's go in .Spectre Security Coin and then cat Spectre Security Coin.conf, and as you can see here, you've got Masternode equal 1, which is what we need, external IP address, which is the your IP address and the port, and the Masternode private key. And that's all you need to know for your Masternode. And now all the Masternode is ready, and all you've got to do is, like it says here, systemctl start SpectreSecurityCoin.service. So systemctl start SpectreSecurityCoin.service. Now we do it systemctl status SpectreSecurityCoin.service. You see that it's running. Now let's do a Spectre Security Coin D get info. And now as you can see here, we have the version 1.0.1.5-1, which is the same version we have here. And we are almost synced in, so let's have a look at the Explorer. 95276, and we're all synced in. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll show you how to update your wallet on your desktop, and I'll show you how to install your Masternode as well. So leave a like if you liked it, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.